Hey guys, iPod case review, and today I'll be doing a giveaway of the Wraps skins. To enter in this giveaway, I'll also put it on the description box if you forget. Number 1, you subscribe to me, of course. Number 2, you put W, capital or lowercase, I don't care. And then slash, or that slash thing, I forget what it's called, slash or a hyphen. And then your comment. You can say anything in the comment, it doesn't matter. And optional, rate 5 stars. And also, if you want 5 extra entries, you gotta feature this in your channel, on your channel, and you have to have more than 100 subs. So it could help me out get more comments on this giveaway. So the winner who wins this giveaway will either choose which skin he wants, this one or this one. And then after he chooses it, you choose which one you want, and I'll give you the one. I'll ship you out the one that you chose. So you're gonna get two if you chose this, 2 if you chose this. And please, US residents only, because I won't be able to ship to international. Sorry about that. So what I want you to do, just repeating myself. Number 1, subscribe. Number 2, W/your comment. And number 3, rate it please. And if you want, rate it 5 or 4 stars. I don't care. But if you're commenting on my video and you rate it 1 star, it doesn't make sense. And then after that, you're good to go. And if you want 5 extra entries, just feature this video and you get 5 extra entries. More chances to win. Alright guys, iPod case reviews. I'm signing out, yeah? Sure? Okay.